come off of Yedlin and find its way into the path of Costa. Costa's going for the pass. It's not meant for him, but it finds a way through. And as composed as ever, just passes it with the instep. Net. It's a bit of head tennis. Chelsea don't clear it. It's popped back in. It's popped back out. And when it drops, what about that? That's all about technique. It's side on. It's keeping the near yard deeper on first look. Yedlin's deeper. Van Aanholt's deeper. There's the ball into Matic. He's onside. And he takes a nice touch. Both centre-backs are advanced to the game. Both full-backs are deeper. That causes all sorts of problems. It's a fantastic first touch. Van Aanholt pulls the ball back to Borini at the edge of the box there. It's a great pick-out. It's a brilliant first touch. It's a good strike. It's good enough to beat Courtois. The big goalkeeper gets two hands on it, but it's just too struggling out on that far side. Skipped by the challenge. Puts in the ball, but there's a crucial touch there. That helps the ball into the flow. And we know this little man can score. We said about his goals have been away from home. What a fire
on that. Kasri trying to get there first and did, and he's fouled by John Terry.
Yeah, he's in trouble.
And John Terry is going to be off here, a second yellow card, and the Chelsea captain sees red.
Yeah, Kadri's coming in. Terry's omitted. Yeah, you can see Kadri comes in. I think the timing is all wrong.